Hey everyone, the FiiO FT1 headphones are a testament to the art of sound engineering, offering an exceptional blend of exquisite craftsmanship and high-fidelity audio. Developed with cutting-edge technology and premium materials, these headphones deliver an immersive listening experience that will captivate both audiophiles and casual listeners alike. One of the first things you'll notice about the FiiO FT1 headphones is their stunning appearance. The ear cups are crafted from FAS-grade American black walnut, a material chosen not just for its aesthetic appeal, but also for its acoustic properties. The smooth texture and unique grain patterns of the wood ensure that each pair of headphones is truly one of a kind. This natural elegance is more than skin deep. The dense black walnut material plays a crucial role in minimizing standing waves and cavity resonance, which results in clear, more accurate sound reproduction. At the heart of the FiiO FT1's impressive sound is a newly developed 60mm large dynamic driver, specifically engineered for these closed-back over-ear headphones. The increased driver dimension allows for greater energy conversion efficiency, which translates to tight punchy bass that you can feel. The driver's appearance also reduces low-frequency resonance, enabling deeper and more controlled bass response. Whether you're listening to bass-heavy tracks or more nuanced recordings, the FT1 delivers a sound that is both powerful and refined, with rich, full-bodied tones that bring your music to life. The FiiO FT1 headphones are developed with a 32 low-impedance architecture, making them easy to drive even with portable devices like smartphones or tablets. This user-friendly appearance ensures that you can enjoy superior audio performance, whether you're connected to a high-end audio setup or simply streaming from your phone. To complement the exceptional audio quality of the FiiO FT1, the headphones come with two high-quality cables, a 4.4mm balanced plug and a 3.5mm single-ended plug. These cables are crafted with 392 wires of 24 Wg thickness, and feature silver-plated oxygen-free copper construction, ensuring excellent conductivity and sound quality. The detachable cable appearance allows for easy interchangeability, and a 1.5-meter length provides flexibility for various listening environments. Whether you're using the balanced or single-ended connection, you can expect a clear, powerful sound that is perfect for enjoying lossless audio files. Price at $159 on Geek Wills, the FiiO FT1 Hi-Fi headphones offer exceptional value for money. Given the level of craftsmanship, sound quality, and premium accessories included, these headphones are an excellent choice for audiophiles seeking top-tier performance without breaking the bank. The FiiO FT1 Hi-Fi headphones are a remarkable achievement in both appearance and performance. By combining advanced acoustic technology with the natural beauty of black walnut, FiiO has created a product that stands out in the crowded market of high-fidelity headphones. Whether you're an audiophile looking for the ultimate listening experience or simply someone who appreciates fine craftsmanship, the FT1 headphones are sure to impress. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel, have a nice day and God bless you.